Let me see how can I fix that. What about right now? Let me see. Microphone. Does it work right now? Can you hear me, guys? Hey. Good morning. Let me fix it, guys. Let me just bring it up on the volume side. What about right now? Is it normal? Things should be fine. Maybe it's a little loud right now. Thank you, guys. I wanted to wish you an amazing time out here for the Tuesday. Thank you so much for joining, guys. We're ready to fight relentlessly for our targets, for becoming a much better version, and for keeping out strongly in the markets. Because we're certainly facing out here a big resistance on the 500s. There's a triple top structure, and that's not going to be easy to fight with today. Today's high, last week's high, located pretty much at the same level, 499, 508. You know, that's not a joke. That's certainly not a joke. Good evening out there. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Sign up for the giveaways. Getting into the 5-minute representation. It's kind of interesting how this pressure adjusts and aims for highs. But certainly it's not an easy level to deal with. We're going to get started with the IRM platform, the 50K account. This is going to be the 6th day. Testing out a little long here. Not going to go aggressive with it. Just a couple of points. Stop loss and break even already. Break even has been touched. We have an initial rejection there. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Wish you a lovely time out there. I'm just going to wait for the moment. There's nothing I can do about the current situation. Good morning. If we look into the 4 hours, with the closings we had and the current price action, the chart is bullish, right? So the previous 4-hour candlestick that we closed, this one, right, was extremely important, guys. That was exactly marking the difference between a bullish continuation or a double top confirmation here with a pretty strong pullback. Yeah. Could have easily came all the way below 25,000. Easily. Yet the previous 4-hour candlesticks, single candlestick, turned things around for a bullish scenario. So the 4 hours are bullish. Something else you have to keep in mind is that, as I said, if we clear this and we find support above, the purple line is the 200 EMA. You've got to be supported above. You're going to run for the highs. There is a very interesting fair value gap located here. 26,000 could be one of the targets. You take out those highs. This highs, you take them out, and you push into 26,000 fair value gap. That's like 500 points from here. Certainly doable. Maybe not today, but this week is on the table, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. Happy to have you on board. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Make sure to like the video. Don't forget about it. And of course, we've got the numbers sitting around in 4 giveaways today. So if we don't get any brutal rejection here, sending us all the way back below the daily opening and confirming a price action below that, if we don't get that, we shouldn't be that concerned for the moment. Hello, welcome, guys. We're dealing with double highs here. So last week's highs and today's highs, of course. Weekly opening 482, guys, might be retested. 482 weekly opening. Yep. Gotta wait. Good morning, welcome everyone. Scramble trading, maximum drive, ultimate control. Hey, great to see you. Happy to have you on board, guys. Make sure to like the video. What a great community. We're strong, guys. We are strong. That 482, guys, is pretty much juicy. There's a whole lot of the people that will get stopped out below 486 below this point. 485, below 485 people will get stopped out. So if they want to fill up liquidity on 482 or even lower than that, shouldn't exclude a 455. Yeah. But you see, today I'm not gonna hurry up. I certainly didn't like the way we've lost yesterday on our 150k Lucid. I didn't like that. Certainly didn't enjoy that. We got today a brand new, a fresh account of 150k instant funded for the IRM. The IRM is keeping the same promotion on the instant funded. With my code 50%, just like the Black Friday. So I've negotiated with them to keep my code at 50% on the instant funded. Exactly the same like the Black Friday promotion, which means the account is $90 cheaper than with their code. And then the challenges, the evaluations, the price is back to the prior price of Black Friday, about $44 with our code, no activation fee on the 50k. Oh, look at that, guys, we almost went into 482. That's interesting. That's interesting, guys. 482 is basically the weekly opening. So yesterday's opening, and monthly opening, of course, at the same time. And that's usually a quite interesting mark. So maybe we could actually take this price action down to 482 or even lower than that. Let me get into my... We've shorted the market, 3 contracts on our 50k funded. If it holds here and drops, we're gonna take it. $2,500 is on the 150k for the instant funded. So probably for the 100k is around $2,000. I'll put a stop loss on break even, guys. I have to leave for a moment. I need to answer a phone call. I'll put a stop loss on break even and the target is there. I'm back in 2 minutes. Nah, break even has been touched. Back in 2 minutes, guys. I'm back in 2 minutes. Welcome guys, welcome back. Hey, ready to go, come on. Time frames, well, it depends what do you trade. Depends what do you trade, guys. That's the best, depending on what do you trade. Swings, shorts, what's the strategy? Scalpings. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Oh, look at that strong movement. We haven't touched our 482s. But we got a pretty strong move. And I think this can easily continue. Which is why also on my Ticktick I'm longing this,
Order
guys.
filled.
Oh, we're actually on micros here on Ticktick.
Order filled.
I'm flat, 210 profit on IRM 50k, 210 is enough.
Order filled.
123 for the 50k, for 100k Ticktick as well. So we've got some profits, guys. Time to celebrate. Time to run those fireworks and celebrate. Let's go, guys. 210. We've secured a profit there. You know it's 150 bucks. Boom. Hey, come on. We got this. Right on track. Just before the move happened. Let me share with you. So here's a 50k account. It's day number 6. 210. We actually crossed. We almost have 2,000 profit totally. I can take out the max payout. Still have some money in. And I still need to do 4 days. Let's go, guys. $775 in one of the days. And then the rest of the days are pretty much base hits. You want to look into the net P&L. That's the one. You need to do 150 bucks per day minimum. And that's it, right? No activation fee, $44 right now for the IRM. Yeah, of course, the instant fund that is a great deal for a lot of the people. We just broke the new highs of today, of course. Gotta be on the minis out there for the Ticktick trader. We gotta be on the minis. $210. I'm not going to trade this anymore today. We have 6 days. We need basically 4 more days and we're able to take the payout. If we do 4 more days of 200 each, it's going to take us close to $53,000 and we're going to take our 1,500 and still remain with 1,500. What's up, buddy? Welcome. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Let's pick up those numbers and sign up for the giveaways. So if you still remain with the same amount as you cash out, that's something. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. Was looking into gold, which had the ability today to hold above 210, and it's continuing. Brussels as well might break above today's high. The dollar is having difficulties in a downtrend. BTC is trying to break above today's high as well and follow Nasdaq. Probably it's going to do it at some point. Yeah. We might go for that 90k as quickly as possible. Look at that buying pressure, guys. Gotta set up my... Let me just lock myself out from here. On this 50k account. Daily lockout. Confirm. Nice. Time to trade the... We have an 150k. It's still left from the previous cycles. From the previous days. Sorry, guys. Thank you so much for joining.
Order
I
filled.
think we might retest that 500s. Stop loss break even.
Order filled.
Target has been hit. $400 for the Ticktick trader, guys. $400 for the Ticktick trader. We still gotta do another 100. Celebration time. Come on. Boom. That's lovely. Back-to-back winners today. Back-to-back winners today. $110 needed here more, and we're gonna have day number... We're gonna have day number 5, right? This is when the news cycle started. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Day number 5, it's gonna be 2 more days will be needed. And we're taking $10,000 payout. Not bad. I think this is going a little bit lower. We just reshorted this. Stop loss break even. Stop loss break
Order
even.
filled.
Nah. What happened there? That was another dirty move by Project X. Our P&L is at the same level, but the price actually dipped. I think for some reasons they touched my break even before pushing the price action down. What's going on with Project X, guys, once again? This 5 minute, if it closes like this, it actually wants to go lower. Probably it's going for that weekly opening, monthly opening, 482. We're going to trade our Lucid accounts, guys. Big deal with a Lucid Flex. Huge deal out there. Incredible accounts. And incredible possibilities out there. So tons of people started to trade with the Lucid accounts. New product, no consistency, and PAL target on the funded stage. I haven't requested yet a payout for the IRM, but a lot of the people received from our community. I haven't got to the payout, but people that were using it before got paid. They also talked in our community. So everyone is happy. Quite of an interesting situation, guys, here with this drop all the way 486. We pretty much deny the whole thing. It's not an easy day from this standpoint. There's going to be a lot of liquidity games out here. Yeah. Everyone make sure to like the video. Lucid is a top notch. $100 more will be needed for our 5 Ticktick trader accounts. I'm gonna wait for that 482. Set a limit order quickly. Two contracts 482.
Order filled.
I'll grab my entry here for the IRM as well. I'm out.
Order filled.
493. $6 more on Ticktick. $6 more on Ticktick. We got 5 contracts on the IRM. Stop loss and break even. Let's go for the big boy targets. And a take profit higher. Around $1,000. I should make more because of the consistency. So I still have to do $7, right? Which means we're gonna go into the micros.
Order filled.
And we'll take their long like this.
Order filled.
I'm out. $502 hit. We've hit the target there, guys. On the Ticktick Trader 5 accounts, we've hit the target. We've copy traded 5 accounts. We also hit the target on the 150k IRM instant funded $975, as you can see. So we're making money back and forth. Congratulations, guys. Boom! Scrambo's on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. You know that. Prop firms getting terrified. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. Make sure to subscribe. 8 AM EST time. Doing giveaways daily. Our great and lovely, strong, and capable community out here helping the great fellas. We're pretty much exploding. It's not a trading show. It's a fireworks show. We've talked about all sorts of fireworks. So, how much do you need to make to request a payout on Lucid Flex? 5 trading days are needed once you are funded. And then you can request a payout. 5 trading days. No consistency, no target. There is a minimum for each day depending on the account size you have. But make sure to check out my video, guys, where I'm explaining the Lucid Flex new product. It's on my channel. I'm pasting you the link right there. Look at that, guys. I told you about the 482 weekly opening. You've got the reaction. At this point, you can already get out of your trade. You've made enough. Right? That's basically 12, 13 points. You don't even need that much. 975 out there. Continuing, guys, we have another account here, 150k. That's brand new. We got this 450 right there for the IRM. Scrambo's on fire. Prop firm is getting terrified. But the big deal out here for the Ticktick, 5 points. We only have a single losing day. Right? A single losing day. And the second cycle started on 25th. So we have $6,000 in the balance. And we gotta do 2 more days of 500. Our daily max loss is set at 1,500. Look at the great values. Let's go. Thank you guys, appreciate it. So we finished today with a Ticktick. Still want to trade my 150k brand new account for the IRM. And I still want to trade my Lucid accounts. I got 3 instant funded Lucid Direct. And I had Lucid Flex accounts as well of 150k with Quantower. Let me just start my Quantower. Make sure to sign up for the giveaway, guys, and like the video. You gotta also be subscribed to our channel. And you have to be a member of our Discord community to participate in the giveaways. Prop firms getting terrified. We're trading our IRM, Ticktick, Lucid, Tap 1 futures, and Savius. Look at how many rejections we've got. Look at that buying pressure, denial, and acceptance. You don't see acceptance below 89, below the 90s. You don't see that much of an acceptance, right? But temporary, and for the short term, this certainly has not been bullish, which is why you've grabbed that 482 nicely. As far as I know, and they informed me that it's under maintenance. I wish they would have a much better communication publicly on their Discord by putting out official messages. I don't know why they're not sending official messages on their Discord community. It's just support that is replying to people. For some reason, Ticktick is not delivering official messages on their announcement tab on their community, right? And certainly that's not the way to keep up with your customers if your website is going under any form of maintenance or anything like that. But there's no updates in terms of the estimated delivery time or anything like that. We don't know yet. I don't know more in terms of that question. I've been told that they have been working on integrating and they have solutions. Apart from Project X and Trade Evade, they got solutions working to fix it. This is the only thing that I've been told. As soon as I hear more from Ticktick, I'll let you know, guys. Certainly let you know, guys, what's happening there. The buying pressure is real here. Well, let me just wait for the algo that starts in 2 minutes. The flat hour algo. This is the place I like to make profits today so bad, on my Lucid 150k direct accounts. And the Lucid Flex as well. I want to make money on that one so bad, guys. It's unbelievable. We're getting to the 15 minutes. Look at the wicks we've got here. It actually wants to go way higher. Hourly looks great as well. 30 minutes before the market opens. We use a lot of price action with the candlesticks, with market structures. We certainly know them quite well. Then we use EMAs, daily openings, weekly openings, closings, session highs, session lows, VWAPs, daily, weekly, monthly. These are the usual things we're putting together as indicators, and of course the dynamic swing and short volume weighted average price. And then the eyes that are delivering. Hey, yes. Good to see you again. Not teaching anything for the moment, other than what we're speaking out here, guys. So let me find that. Where is... There you go. Lucid Flex. Lucid Flex. We have 5 accounts on Lucid Flex, guys. Of 150k. Attention. Let me set up my copy trader. You know that's a big deal, right? Five accounts of Flex. Think about. Let's just have them ready on Quant Tower. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Like the video. We're slightly more than 200 people out here and 100 likes. We got to bring that number up. You certainly want to subscribe. So we made a new high here. And we've got rejected. Oh, but you are taking 2 payouts, Zill. That's great. So Zill, great community member that received a Ticktick Trader giveaway. Gathered 2 payouts.
Hey, it's been going great. We've been having just profits today. I don't know more, guys, about the Ticktick situation, right? So, no one likes the way they communicate. No one likes the way they deal with a problem they have. But I don't know more. They are not telling me more. Right? So they only said about the maintenance and that's it. That's the only thing I know officially coming from Ticktick. Certainly no overtrading. As soon as I find out more, we don't have more Ticktick Trader giveaways. Big money made today, guys. But this is kind of the place in my Lucid. I think the audio is a problem on your side. The audio works here for our community. Since they had the trade of it problem, there is not much communication going with their community and traders. And now their website is pretty much under maintenance, but again, without any official communication. So it's pretty weird. And that's why I told everyone till we get more details, official announcements, we should just wait. That's the best approach, to have a defensive line towards Ticktick and wait for something official coming out. Is this resistance going to hold the line? Let's test it out, guys. Stop loss right above. 210 loss there. Stop loss pretty tight. Putting the break even right now. And I'm out. 199 profit. That's good for the moment, right? Yeah, it's certainly frustrating. It's not a good thing. Without proper communication for the public, it's certainly not a good thing, hurting the business. They notice. I told them they have to communicate. They have to say things clearly and loud. They have to inform me on time so I can tell people everything publicly the way it is. They have to respond to my questions. And they have to inform me. Our community is asking, the public is asking, people want videos about it and would like to discover the reality. So I'm waiting for updates. Thank you guys for joining, appreciate it. Make sure to like this video, get yourself subscribed. Streaming from Monday to Friday with giveaways. We had a good trading session today. There's no losses. On the 50K for the volumetrica for the IRM, 50K hit the target. For the 150 grand account, instant funding, we made $975. For the Ticktick, we got to our target of $500. We already have 5 points there. And we just started trading our Lucid 150k instant funded. And I have 5 flex accounts that are ready here on my Quant Tower. Let me share with you. There you go, guys. Five flex accounts. For the Lucid 150k. Certainly. It is a mismanagement there. And their communication is hurting traders. Hurting reputation. They almost have 4 years online. We might touch that last week's high on 500s and then bounce from there. Or do we get the reaction a little early on 503? Yeah, still a good one. $12,000. Ho ho. But let me tell you guys, today the markets are dominated by Lucid. Lucid is just huge in the way it progresses, especially with the flex accounts. Not to have any consistency on funded account is just insane. Let's go, guys. First trade on the Lucid Flex accounts. First trade on the Flex accounts. Copy trading 5 accounts of 150k for the Lucid Flex. This is the first trade that we're executing. 3 minis long. Target slightly below the 20, slightly below the 19. Once we cross 14, I'm break even. Such as right now. And the break even has been touched. Triple wicks to the upside. I don't like that. I can't trust that too much. So we're $9 profit. I see people prefer a lot of Lucid for strength, stability, instant payouts, like minutes. Yeah, I think they're gonna lead, basically. Lucid is gonna lead in 2026. So if our community is actually going more and more with Lucid, obviously we also enjoy the prop firm. We enjoy their whole business model. The copy trader that's integrated in Quantower, it's for free. I don't know if it's gonna get bankrupt, guys. So there is no information about it at all. And, you know, any other things like those will purely be just speculation. So certainly no idea. As long as there is no communication, there is a risk. There's one thing that you need to know. When there is no communication, there is risk. There is no reason not to be communication. Think about it. It's the only thing people would like to know, what's happening, and if there is an issue, they have to know it. No, Apex, we're not trading Apex. What's happening on gold, guys? Oh. Climbing, pretty powerful. It's going just as Bitcoin, guys. Told you about BTC breaking the highs here. And that's what it did in the past couple of minutes. Are we gonna get BTC 100 grand by New Year's Eve? What do you guys think about? Hey. I'm testing out a short here. In case we are ready to take this one into 500. Five minutes short for my Lucid Flex accounts. Six minutes short. You know, if it's going aggressive above 510, I'll have to get out. These are challenges. $150K Lucid Flex. Bring it down, baby. Or else I have to get out. They are my first day of trading, not funded. It's the first day in the challenge. Yeah. I'll have to cut my position there. It's now looking good. I'll have to cut my position there. They're not funded, they are still challenges. We got stopped out on that one. Looks like no continuation down to 500s, 200 EMA. We're trying to control the losses. Ten minutes and the market opens. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Enjoy and join our daily live stream, 8 a.m. EST time. We're doing giveaways daily, buddy. Sales at Ticktick Trader were the big ones at $280 an account for that 100K. Yeah, we're gonna trade out there in the openings. Extremely user-friendly. The IRM is really user-friendly. This is with the IRM Volumetrica. Still want to trade my 150K here. You got the market orders. You got the limit orders. You select the accounts from here. You can basically go drag and drop. You have the plus symbol next to the pricings, and you can click on that and just, place a buy limit and a sell stop from the chart directly. Right, so there are some nice options, and you have a drag and drop once your trade is live on the IRM. And then with Lucid, you decide on which platform you want to trade, because there's a lot going on here. The flex possibilities are basically with CQG data feed, NinjaTrader, TradeOvate, and TradingView. And then the next possibility, the next category is with the Rhythmic data feed. This is for the flex accounts. Right, so for the flex accounts, you don't have Project X. Biggest discounts out there, always. Yeah, Volumetrica is web-based. Exactly, it's great. Sure. It's an interesting buying pressure, guys, that we've got here. Longing my IRM account. If this level holds, we're going to be fine with it. If this level holds. Also, I'm going to log my flex accounts too. Come on. Beautiful, guys. We've been smelling this trade. Break even. Break even 7 minis long. On the other side as well, I'm putting the break even on the IRM trade. The IRM trade got out and break even. It has been touched. We made 25 bucks. Look at that. We made 25 bucks here. The break even has been touched. It was pretty tight. That's why the entry was a little higher. But then in Quant Tower, our flex accounts are printing, guys. Look at that. The flex accounts are printing. I'm selling 2 contracts. And I'm increasing my take profit. So I sold 2 contracts. We still have 5. And I've increased my target up to the 20s. Let's go. We need the next 1 minute candle to be green as well. Right, so 3 in a row. Come on. Come on, guys. You're welcome. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Make sure to like the video. We're having break even. Target is a little higher. We're still down 665 on this realized loss. Oh, what a rejection out there. Look at that. Oh, great. Nah, break even touched. What a good possibility, guys, to have a runner. We made $600 in this. No, we made like 400. 400 profit, because I took profit. I like to trade my IRM 150k instant funded too, so we still have a lot to trade. We'll still have the 150k Lucid Direct accounts, 3 accounts on Project X, 5 on Lucid Flex, 5 accounts. This might be grabbing some liquidity. I'm late to short this, guys. I wanted to short a bit higher. No time. Thank you, Jonathan. Appreciated. Yep. IRM is 44 bucks, 50k account, no activation fee, no payout target, just 10 days of 150 bucks on any account size. Even if you buy instant funded, you don't have a payout target. You just buy the instant funded, make at least 10 days of 150 bucks each, and you're good to go for the payout. And of course, you got to respect basically the 20% consistency. If you don't want consistency, you don't want target, then the challenges from the Lucid Flex, that's the option. But you got to pass a challenge there. Less than 4 minutes to go and the market opens. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. We've got the giveaways today. Here's the link for the giveaways, and you certainly want to be part of our community. This is mandatory. BTC is having a good time. It's going by. I'll go purchase. Following gold. Following gold. I need a little bit more volatility. And I think I'm going to get it at the opening. We only have a temporary loss today on this flex accounts. And no stop loss hit today. No max loss, no stop loss, no accounts have been lost. Couple of targets hit. We're on the right direction, guys. Last week's high, are we going to bounce from here? This used to be the previous supply. Could it be actually converted? Yeah, I don't want to rush into any action for the moment. There's 2 minutes to go. And you know that the best trader is the guy that's waiting patiently for the right moments. And of course, the best trader knows how to lose, to walk away at the perfect time before a disaster kicks in. Not the case for us today, but certainly it's always the case for a great education from some nice talk. That's an interesting buying pressure there, guys. I'm not going to bid. But you see the markets are starting to fire up. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, daily giveaways, and a great time. This very interesting thing that people need to consider. The initial reaction of the markets do not necessarily have to follow the trend of the day. If we look into a higher time frame, such as the 1 hour or 4 hour, the market is bullish. How does that require us or imposes a market initial reaction at the New York opening into the same direction with the macro standpoint? So in other words, is the 1 hour, 4 hour vision capable, look at the drop we have, capable somehow to determine in a determinism way, right? So 100% action. The New York session, certainly not. You're going to have a significant drop. You're going to have a significant drop from a 1 hour, 4 hour bullish context. 20 seconds to go. You cannot resubmit. You can only do it once a day. You cannot resubmit. Market's opening, guys. Look at that. Market's opening. Oops. 2 contracts long, 2 minis long. For our 150k, 2 minis long. Longing 2 contracts as
Order
well.
filled.
On my Lucid. What a big drop. Come on. And I'm longing as well. On my Lucid Flex accounts too, guys. 2 contracts. So we're pretty much exposed right now into longs. $5.24 for my exit, guys. Stop loss break even for the Lucid. $5.24 for my exit. Lucid Flex accounts. Look at that. Also, what's happening here? We're printing, right? I'm out here for the moment. $695 on the IRM. Profit collected. $695. I'm gonna DC here another contract. 3 contracts in this rec candle we've got. Let's go, guys, for the big target. Putting the stop loss on break even. Come on. 1,600 there. So 515. 515, we're making the money. 515, we're making the money. On the Lucid 150k direct accounts. Copy trading 3 accounts here. We need a 515. And on the other side, 525. For the Lucid Flex accounts. I'm gonna trail here, guys. I have to trail there. I'm trailing there. Look at that. And we're moving. About to hit a target here. About to hit the target. Come on.
Order
Come on.
filled.
Yes. $1,800 made. Let's find out what's happening on our Lucid Flex accounts. Keep going, buddy. Keep going just a little higher. I'm out. 1,200 pure profit here as well. Wow. Look at that one, guys. Ho, ho, ho. Hey. Boom. Scrambos on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Scrambos on fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Come on. Let's go, guys. Look at that. 1,803 accounts here. And then our Quant Tower. 1,200 basically for the Flex accounts. Copy trading 5 accounts. This is the first day we traded here. Woohoo. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. That's how we trade the opening. That's how we smash this. Make sure to like the video, everyone. We're 330 up there. Sign up for the giveaways. You got the links. Coupon code Scramble pretty much everywhere for the highest discounts. So what happened today? We got to do a quick roundup soon. We're going to do a roundup pretty soon. So the IRM, look at a big pump. The IRM is needing 10 trading days of $150 each. That's the thing when you're funded. 10 trading days, $150 each. And if you pass, you have 35% consistency for the accounts you passed. For the instant funded, you have 20% consistency. You don't have a target. Right, so you don't need to make a payout target such as a specific level. You only need $150 minimum per day when you are in the funded stage. Scrambos and fire. Prop firms getting terrified. Keep singing, guys. Come on. We've smashed their face today. Oh my god. Let's just wrap up the things. Look at that. Told you, 1 hour is bullish, 4 hours bullish. And the market is going wild. Nvidia is ripping faces. BTC is also following through. The only thing that's dying around is probably going to be the dollar. Little downtrend. Look at that gun. It is 35% for the starter on Prime. 35. Good morning. Welcome, guys. This was a lovely opening. A lovely opening to pass challenges. To pass your Flex accounts. 1,200 is fine. You notice Flex accounts are really valuable. Like, let's just have a look into... We're up to 600, guys. 600s. Ho-ho. Where are we going? Come on, let's talk about. 26,000 by the end of the week. Let me ask the chat. Do not touch the short button, turn it off. And today, do not be greedy, guys. There's a lot of the people getting killed and slaughtered by the bullish days as well. Because they keep longing the markets, it works, and then at some point, you have a 60 points retracement, which finds you in an active trade. Because you wanted to make another $20 or $50 or $100,000 you made. So at the end of the day, you say, what an idiot, right? Looking forward making another $100, chasing another $100 while I made $2,000 because I was thinking the market is easy and delivering. No, people get over leveraged, too exposed, and the market corrects. But the question here is, So just as in bad days, do the same thing with the amazing days. Cut yourselves away from going into your dashboard, for example, on Volumetrica with the IRM. Go into your dashboard and then do a daily lockout. Look at that. This is the account. We made money today. I'm locking myself out. We made 975. This is a brand new account. We made 695. I'm locking myself out. Great. So we're locked out for all the 3 accounts that are funded on IRM. Now, it's time to hit that manual lockout button all day. Lock me out. Goodbye. Ticktick Trader, lock me out all day. Goodbye. We have on the top 1 futures. Let me see if I can do something here, at least trade an account on top 1 futures as well. Pigs get slaughtered. It's important to exclude yourselves just like you're doing it when you want to cut your losses and walk away. The same thing applies. You need to know how to profit as well, just like knowing how to lose. No profits would actually satisfy you. Thank you guys for joining. Have a lovely time. But I did wanted to ask you in the chat something. Bye-bye trading. Bye-bye. You know the prop firms are going crazy when they see I'm going to lock myself out. And there's no way we lose accounts. They go crazy about this. Let me start a pool and ask you something. So, 26,000. Do we get 26,000 by the end of the week? Let me ask you something in the pool, guys. Let me know what you think about. Make sure to join the giveaway. 26,000 by the end of the week. Think about. It's just 400 points away. There is a fair value gap on 4 hours there. And with the movement we have here, we just confirmed the breakout is not retracing and coming back below the trend, right? So we certainly confirmed that we exited that bound trend that has been active since 30 of October. All the participants, right? All the participants. So I should buy accounts basically probably worth 20 grand and give to our community, right? Yeah. We got the cut, guys. We had 87%. Let me quickly verify that. Oh, by the way, Top 1 Futures is having Trade of 8, Ninja Trader, and Trading View. 87% for a rate cut in 8 days and 4 hours. Extremely, extremely likely. This is certainly going to be enjoyed by the lovely crypto space. Hopefully. We don't know if it's enjoyed by the prices of the cryptos, but certainly. Right, so let's just wrap up the things. Made money on all the IRM accounts that we're trading. 700 on the brand new 150K. How much did we made on the 50K today? Didn't push that much. 210 net PNL. It's day number 6. We made 4 more days and we're taking a payout. And then 975 on the one that we are 150K instant funded, below still the initial balance with 1,200. 1,803 accounts on Lucid Direct, 150K. We're still $100 below the initial balance. because yesterday we messed it up. 3,700 loss yesterday on this 3. So we had on 28th 1,800. Yesterday on the 1st 3,700, and then 1,800 today as well. We're still down $100 here. Ticktick trader, $500 today. Point number 5 collected. No trading for the moment on the Tap 1 futures. I'll grab a contract here.
Order
just,
filled.
give it a go.
Order filled.
DCA'd. And I'm putting break even. Come on.
Order filled.
Target has been hit. That's how you do it. It was a little pullback. 564. Little pullback. You obviously want to long it. 564. Profit collected here as well. And then the flex accounts that we just started trading made 1,200 net PNL. You can see that. 1,200 net PNL in the first day. 5 accounts copy trading, guys. Boom. Good job, master trader. You're gonna get a big payout. We got easily more than $10,000 per month payouts, easily. 30,000? You know, if we get a such rally, BTC is going to be 150 by the end of January. This is still running to the upside from the way it looks like. But of course, you got to be careful. You know, I don't know if the war ends. You know what's the thing there? Even with statements that the war has just ended, I don't think in reality it's going to end like that. It's pretty complicated. We see the rejection coming in, Jonathan. Good job. Initial reaction, there you go, delivered. So 5 accounts here, profit 2. We got to sleep on it, digest, allow the markets to deliver. It was a day without losses. That's kind of unique because we're trading on a lot of the places and we did not copy traded everything. So IRM accounts were traded alone, all the 3. The Lucid were pretty much alone. Ticktick, Tap 1 futures, the Flex accounts, direct accounts, whatever. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. All right, so last minute to sign up for the giveaway. Last minute, think about it. We got 4 giveaways today. It was an amazing day. Last minute to sign up. We're opening up the page. Closing out in Quantower. And time to get ready, guys. Time to get ready. Last minute to sign up the form. You will have to guess the number. That's going to be your job. Every day you have to sign up, every day, because every day is a different set of giveaways. And every single day, we're sharing a lot to our community, so certainly you have to do the sign up daily. It's a new link daily. Like the video. This is the first thing you want to do, guys. Like the video. Come on. The next thing you want to do is be subscribed to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. With great educational materials, live trading, and certainly daily giveaways. I'll give you another 20 seconds to do it. Another 20 seconds to do it. Yeah, I need to fix my pedal, right? There's about 240 people that have signed up. 240. We had one of our biggest days. Profits everywhere. The first giveaway is going to be $25,000 Tap 1 Futures Sim Pro account between 0 and 9. Guess the number. Only one guess per person. $25,000 Sim Pro account instant funded for the Tap 1 Futures. Between 0 and 9. Guess the number. Good luck, everyone. Only one guess per person. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. And best of luck, guys. This is the first giveaway. Oh, but let me do something. I just remembered right now. Let me do something. I'm going to surprise you and share with you one more account in this giveaway. So I'll give you 2 accounts. The first is, as I said, the $25,000 Sim Pro account Tap 1 Futures, and one more from the Tap 1 Futures, $25,000 Ignite account, instant funded as well. Right? So the first ranked will have the Sim Pro, the second ranked will have the Ignite account. It's going to be in this giveaway, guys. You got to be on the list, completed the form, stop right there, no more guesses, it's over. We're going to shuffle this a few times, and we're best of luck, everyone. So we're doing 2 accounts. Will that be that yellow number 6 or the green number 9? What do you guys think about? Yellow number 6 or green number 9? Tell me. Where is this gonna stop? Yellow number 6? Look at that. Ho ho! Yes, we're giving out soon IRM accounts as well. Yellow number 6, guys. Congratulations. We got you with a number 6. Pretty close to that number 9. Pretty close. We have more giveaways, and we're advancing to the duck race right now. $28 winners. 28 winners competing for 30 seconds. Keep in mind. Shuffle once. Good to go. Best of luck. Let's go. For those of you that are fresh, make sure to like the video. 15 seconds to go. The best 2 will win. Maddie, I think you got this one, medal. Look at that, Maddie. I think you got this one. Maddie, you got this one. There you go. Congratulations, Maddie. Hey. You got this one. Now it's time to verify the ones from the list. Time to verify. Maddie, are you here? Yes, congratulations, you are confirmed. Look at that. Hey. Great job, Maddie. You are confirmed the $25,000 SimPro account Tap 1 Futures Instant Fund that goes out to you. Let's look after Danny. Ayala. Ayala is a good champagne, guys. You want to taste it. Ayala. It's exactly as it's written there. Danny Ayala, only with the Ayala. You want to look for it. Ayala is a great champagne. Great champagne. You want to look into that. But it's for the summertime, much better than whatever is out there. You know, autumn and winter. Much better Ayala on the summer times. Let's just find it out. So, Danny, are you here? Yes, we got you, Ayala. Congratulations for the winner. You got the $25,000 Ignite account for the Tap 1 Futures. Congratulations for the first giveaway, guys. Continuing with a second. And guess what? The second is going to include the $50,000 Lucid. No Lucid. No. IRM account. IRM for the second. 50K. IRM second giveaway. I'm going to write it in the chat so no one is getting confused. Look at that. Ayala Champagne. You don't have champagnes in Italy. You got good stuff from Valdobbiadene, right? You have good stuff. So, let's just find it out, guys. What numbers do we deal with? Wait, do not rush. Wait. Between 0 and 2, guess the number. Between 0 and 2, guess the number. $50,000 IRM account. Between 0 and 2, guess the number. Between 0 and 2. Everyone make sure to like the video, come on. Between 0 and 2, guess the number for a $50,000 IRM account. Stop right there, no more guesses. There you go. Shuffle a few times. And we're ready to heat it up. We were 235 today on the stream simultaneously. That's a great number. By the end of 2026, we're going to be 500 people, guys. Simultaneously on the stream. Is that going to be the yellow number 1? Or the 0 on green? What do you guys think about that yellow number 1? I mean, I'm trying to fix it from my pedal. Trying to fix it. Hitting the brake? Come on. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations for the winners. We got you with number 1. Good job. Time for the giveaways on the duck race sign. I think we're going to be a ton. Maybe 50, 60. $74. $74. You guys will get 1 minute. 1 minute of hard, cold swimming time. Hard, cold cash. Keep going. 1 minute swimming time. A little sprint. 50k IRM account. Good luck, guys. I think we had the best session today in trading. No losses, no stop losses. Nothing. It's just targets. Come on. Somebody speeding up from behind. Ryan Trader. But you got to be stopped. 6 seconds. Right now, it's an important time to speed up. 6 seconds, 4 seconds. Who's going to make it? The number 60 out there, the Funded Pro is pushing you. We got you, Funded Pro. Let's find it out if you are on the list, Funded Pro. Are you there? Funded Pro. Yes, you are. Yes, you are, Funded Pro. Congratulations, $50,000 IRM account goes out to you. Reach out to me on Discord. Pretty close out there. Look at the top. Look at the top. Time to advance to the last giveaway. In the last giveaway, we're going to give out a $50,000 Lucid Flex account. Last giveaway for today, Lucid Flex $50,000. You take it, no activation fee. But we're going to change the numbers. Guess the number. You can start right now. Between 7 and 8. Guess the number, guys. Between 7 and 8. Guess the number between 7 and 8. $50,000 Flex account. $626.27. What's happening with the Nasdaq? It's not looking that bad. It's running under 4 hours. BTC 89,500s. Stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. No more guesses. It's over. Stop right there. This way it's going to be. Best of luck, everyone. We've got you. Best of luck. And that's going to be the number 7, I tell you. If we don't stop, and we're not going to stop on that number 8. It's the number 7, guys. Congratulations for the lucky 7 boys out here. It was not difficult, right? Well, the lucky 7 is always there. It was not difficult. You got the 7. You can't escape 5 7s. Didn't even need to use the pedal at this time, so we've protected. Finally. Congratulations for the winners. I think we're going to have more than 100 people. And let me tell you something. If we are more than 100, there is going to be between the first 2 around number 2. Right? So between the first 2, there is going to be a round number 2. If there is more than 100 winners. Let's just find that out. 93. 93. So certainly, there is no round number 2. 93 winners, no round number 2. But you guys will actually compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Right? So you will compete for 2 minutes and 30 seconds today. Shuffle. Start. Best of luck, everyone. The winner is going to take it. 50k Lucid Flex account. Come on, Ducky. Future Trader dominating. Emmanuel. Jimmy. And Dino at the top. Mike's Gold. Enjoying its time, relaxing. With a cucumber. Come on. We've got you. Tudini. Spider. Look at a 12 AC. Run, fast forward, Trader Pereira is there, guys. Quantum, I can see you. Bottom left side, Quantum. 1157, there you go. Zero Cool taking the lead. ICT-NGL as well. Dollars winner with a B. Zill from Finland, look at that. Where are you, Quantum? You just disappeared. Come on, guys. Press the pedal. Mr. Smith at the top. Press the pedal, guys. Do some push-ups. And make your duck have a little adrenaline. Bring it on. Millis. Future Trader. Trader 07-NQ. Look at that. Quantum. Quantum is... Mike's Gold. Quantum is coming back with a number 28. Look at that. 15 seconds. Who's speeding up like that? Who's speeding up at the top? 10 seconds to go. Come on, keep going. Vikram. ICT is going to get stopped out. There you go. The pedal functioned nicely. Who else is going to be out here? And the purple one at the top. Joey. There you go, Joey. That was very close. Ho-ho. Look at that. Look at that, guys. How close was it? Joey. Let's find it out if you're here, Joey. Are you here? Joey, J90. There you go. Congratulations, Joey. Congratulations, buddy. Ho-ho. $50,000 flex account. That was lovely. That was a lovely one. Congratulations, winners. Reach out to me on Discord. Continuing tomorrow, guys. Continuing tomorrow. We're going to have a bunch of giveaways tomorrow as well. And continuing our time. Close to 90k for the BTC, but 635 for the Nasdaq, taking the lead. Following on Nvidia. You know, we need the Nvidia breakout. Let me share with you. This is what we need as quickly as possible, guys. So we're going to push to that level and then see what happens. See what happens. You know, you become bullish on a macro standpoint, short-term macro, when you cross the green line like this. So we'll still have a long way to go to the green line, which is here. And certainly I care about Nvidia. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. It was, I think, the best session out there. I mean, we had great sessions back in the day where we just collected the payouts and secured the payouts. But today we made profits pretty much everywhere. Utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE. Have a lovely day. Looking forward to it tomorrow, 8 a.m. EST time. Make sure to join our Discord. Winners, direct message me. Enjoy your day. Have a lovely time. Thank you once again, guys, for watching.